Hi everybody, this is going to be a quick tutorial on how to change your background, your cheer background. So we're going to be using two different apps in this video. One is going to be a website called Remove.bg, and the other one is going to be Canva, and I'm going to show you how to do it with a pro account and without a pro account. So let's go over to the website, and this is remove.bg. You want to start with adding the photo that you want the background removed from. I'm going to choose this one. Now the background is removed. Either you can stop here and move it over to Canva or any other editing apps, or you could go one step further by pressing edit. And Remove has all these different backgrounds that you could choose from. Or you could go here where it says upload a background and upload your own background. I know sometimes people want like glitter or smoky backgrounds. Well, you can go over to Google. I already have it pulled up here. And I put in free red, black, and silver glitter background because those are the team colors. And then I just choose any one. I think I choose this one right here. That's already big. You're going to open it and then like save it. I already have it saved, so I'm not going to do that again. Then you're going to go back over to this website and press upload background. From there, you're going to get the background. And then it will put it behind the picture that you want, that you used. Okay. So from here, this is as far as this website will go. From here, you can move it over to Canva, any other editing apps, or even like Word will work. So we're going to download it. And then we're going to go over to Canva. Canva. And then Canva, you're going to grab that picture and plug it in. Right here, you could either do a custom size, or you could press this little like cloud in the up arrow, and you could just put the picture in and it will just create a size. But I'm going to do custom size because I want it to be a custom, a Pacific size. So I'm going to do in inches. Okay, so then we're going to go to uploads and press upload media. And then you're going to grab your picture. I already have it up here because I initially did another video, but it didn't even save. So I'm recording it now. So here is the picture we pulled. Just going to make it bigger. And then from here, you can add words, add other elements or something. But I'm going to do it one more time, but in the perspective of a Canva Pro user. So if you're a Canva Pro, let me just add a page. You're going to get the original picture and go to Edit Image and Background Remover. And that does the exact same thing we just did. We're going to apply it. Then we're going to go back to Uploads. And I already uploaded that same background we used on the other website. So we're just going to do that. Press send backwards, then make it bigger. And you can move the picture any way you want it. I'm gonna put it here just because her hands are cut off, so it'll make sense for it to be on the edge. And then from here, you can add either their name or the team name. I wouldn't put like the organization name because you might have rules against that. So just the team name should be fine in their name. So then you're gonna go over to text and either add a heading or a subheading. That's just like the difference of if you want it like bigger, thicker, or if you want it like slightly smaller. So I'm gonna do the big one, and then first we're gonna try is add her name. Okay, here's her name. I'm gonna make it just a bit bigger. And then you're gonna go up, you can go up here and change the color. Let's just do a simple color for now. There. And then you could either leave it like this, or you can add like other things. But here's another one, because I know that some people like to do like a smoky background. So here's a different one with a smoky background. I'm going to try to use one that isn't like for pro. So just like do smoke, and let's see if there's one that's not. Here's one. Oh wait, I didn't mean to add that. Here's like a smoky background that should be there if you're just a regular Canva user. Then you can I think I double clicked it, and you can like change it to where you want the smoke to be. That should be good for now. Then we're gonna grab the image again, and then remove the background. Edit image to remove it, like that. Put this slightly to the side. And then this time we're gonna do the text, but then add her team name. So her team name is Triangle Thunder. Wait, I think I'm gonna do it different. Okay, so do that one and then do another one with thunder. Okay, let me move this. Because I think I want to do it like that and then like that. Yeah. Okay, let's change the color. I'm going to do red this time since... Okay, let me move this over. I'll make her a little bigger. Just a little bit. Okay. So then Triangle Thunder here. And then if you wanted to do something fancy with the words, you can go over to these three dots and then click effects. Then the best one that I always use is shadow. And then in a second, you'll see how it will look. First, for transparency, you want to make that at least 70 or greater. And then for offset is just seeing how you want it. You can do, well, for this one, it would go like down and to the left, down and to the right, or like up. But it just depends on what font you use. And this is what I was talking about. It would change the direction of it. I think I'm going to put it back to the side. Okay, so then you can change the background of it. So let's do a different one. Let's try that one. There. See how let me make it bigger. See how it looks 3D now? Yeah, I think I'll make it bigger. It's bigger anyway. And then we're going to do the same for this one. Oh, hurry up. So shadow, then like 70 something. And offset. The offset, I think it just depends on what font you use. But since this is a thicker font, you can't really tell. But if I was like using a smaller font or like a cursive font, it would look like you will have two sets of the same word. So like you did one set and then you put another set on top of that. I think that's what that is. Then blur, that's really for like the smaller ones too. The blur is just like, it makes it look like it's a glow or something. But I don't want that. So let's take that one off. And then let's change the background color again. Now it looks 3D. Then we're gonna, then from here you can either leave it. But I wanted to show you the other effects that I like to use. So either you can use shadow. Neon is a good one. Glitch is a good one. And then splice is a good one. I think I'm going to do shadow for triangle and then splice for thunder. I don't know. That doesn't make sense. So no, I'm not doing that. Okay, and from here, you can add different elements. Like a bow or something. Change the color. So there. So these are just some simple edits and how to do it. I'm sure there's more experienced people that can offer more in detailed help. But yeah, I did want to show you, let me go home, like the other edits I did up here. Let's see, was it this one? I think it was this one. These I did and put it on a shirt for her cheer competition. This one right here was an edit I did. The middle one was a professional shooter, photographer at the competition. But these, I just grabbed it from, just like did a screenshot from a video that I was taking. And then I removed the background. And just like cut out the hands and stuff. And then I put it on a shirt. And so, yeah. I hope this helped just a little bit. Please leave any questions in the comments.